here we have, I think, damn near the original U-joint.
If it ain't the original, it's definitely the second one.
Yeah, hammer, sockets, beat the crap out of it. Finally, 25 minutes later of hammering, but I'm pumped.
That's a lot of banging.
Yeah, I finally got some nuts. I mean,
Wait a
caps.
minute. That's why, and that's why this costs so much.
Yeah.
There's a lot of time.
Now, we come down to the other side.
Which we've been battling.
For a good half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely nothing, but nothing is breaking free. So it's going to be Sawzall or Torch.
Might be.
I'm not
I want
quite
to try
sure
one
which.
other thing, but I think we're going to be on the battle. Ooh, there you go. That's moving.
Ooh, maybe.
That looks progress. I'm moving on the bottom there, but it's going down for sure.
Yep.
Progress! Scotty's getting progress! Beautiful. All right.
Okay. So,
That's
I
better.
don't want to take the chance of damaging the housing.
So we can get that with the other C-clamp I was going to bring over here.
Okay.
And a socket, and we'll get it.
Is it going to be safe? Because I don't want to damage...
I think we'll be all right.
I'm stupid today! Wait a minute, today?
Nah, we're special every day, right?
Hold on, watch this.
Done. Ding, fries are done. And voila. There you go, Scotty Scott. You're the man. Scooty Scott, Scooty Scott, Scooty Scott, Scooty. Scoosy? Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't mix up
Complete brain fart today.
Don't mix up the end of your shaft. Ooh.
Yeah, because we don't know if they're the same size all the way through, do we?
They are. It's the same U-joint.
Oh, okay.
The balance I didn't want to throw off, but it's one piece, so it's not a big deal. I'm being stupid. Leave me alone. But we have these nice, very fantastic, perfectly badass, move, bad sons of bitches. You know why? Because we buy nice shit around here. And these stupid bastards don't have the stupid grease zerk in them that break off and then ruin them. So, look, Scotty fresh. Look, another freshie. Woohoo! You always disassemble the preciouses.
Yes, we are going to do a light disassemble. Now, I'm known for... Let's see if we can do this the way I
Gently.
want. I always grease the hole, but I'm bummed.
I was gonna say,
Because it makes everything kind of slide in just that tad bit easier.
Yeah. Just slide it in. There we go.
And I know I'm moving really, really slow, but this is brand new.
We're gonna be
I'm
extra cautious.
exceptionally cautious with these type of things.
Cautious is good.
Because I had one when I was a kid on my first Ranger.
Ranger danger?
Yep. And it was an absolute nightmare of a truck. Completely.
Gentle.
Nope, it's not enough. I'm not taking any chances.
Nice and easy, Scotty.
Sock it, please, sir.
Sock it to you.
Sock it to me!
Look at this. That's in the hole, big boy.
God, the last time I heard that, I wound up saying 9 months later, I'm pregnant!
It's It's yours.
Yeah, it is. Was. Yeah, it was mine. It was mine.
There we go. That's fucking beautiful. That's a beautiful thing.
Now let's put the thing in the hole.
Oh yeah.
Or, come on, I want to see how many our fans are. Put the thingy to the floor. What was it? Put the thingy to the floor. Put the thingy to the floor. I know I'm not quoting all of it. Let's see how many people know what I'm talking about.
Oh boy. Oh. Fresh U-joints. Bing. Without getting yourself.
Yeah, pinched. I've done that before. Oh my God, did that hurt?
Oh yeah, it'll eat you. It'll eat you alive.
Okay, that's
That
in.
edge a little bang bang. Give her a little tap right there, just to make me a little more comfortable.
Okay.
Make me comfortable.
Make you come, what?
Wait, no. No, good.
Jesus. Oh, that feels so much better.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
What can I say? Greasy holes make me happy.
Oh boy.
That was bad, even for me.
Wow, Scotty, Jesus. Are you lubing the hole?
I'm sticking my finger in a greasy hole. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Wait till we get banned from YouTube for making this too much like porn.
Well, the only problem is, when you watch the video, boys and girls, I'm only sticking my finger in a greasy hole to put in something hard. Take it any way you want it.
Oh, after that, there's probably going to be some taking it, but...
Who's your daddy? Say my name, bitch. Oops.
Ooh.
We're getting a little aggressive today.
You freaky son bitch, you. Are we having fun yet? Always.
Oh, squeeze it in the hole.
Did you stick it in too deep, Scotty?
I may have. Well, you know what they say. If you're with someone and you ask her, honey, is it in deep enough? And all you hear is, you know you're in deep enough.
Good God. I always say, if you love her, lube her.
Don't need to be.
There you go. Let me get the other one started, and then that's the socket. There it is. Ooh joint. The ooh joint. Ooh, going gentle with the wood. No comment on being gentle with the wood. You're slipping, man.
I know, right?
Jesus.
Well, I want to be politically correct, Daddy.
Oh boy. That's going.
There we go.
There it is.
Who's your daddy, bitch? Who's your
Nice.
daddy?
Nice joint job. Nicely done. Nicely done. Beautiful. Look at that. That made the pitch change. Ding,
That made the ting.
ding, fries are done. Pitch changed. Ding, fries are done. Ding, ding, ding. You know, you ever seen that? You saw that on YouTube years ago?
I'm older than Google.
I know.
Legitimately, I'm older than Google.
So am I. Oh yeah, that's the spot right there. That's the iPapito right there.
Oh, puppy.
Oh god. Alright, now we gotta do the other one. Right here, nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Are you gonna lube up the holes again?
We're gonna lube your hole. I mean, yeah, we're gonna lube the hole. We're gonna lube the hole.
Wait a damn minute here. No!
Yes. I'm putting my finger in that hole and I'm gonna lube it. I'm telling you right now, man.
Oh boy. There you go. U joint. Nice U joint. I don't fuck around. I buy the nice Moog shit whenever possible. Spicer or Moog, the rest of it is garbage. You gonna pull that end off? Because I got the one off.
Got it. I mean, yeah.
Slip that baby in, and then look at that. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Are you gonna beat it gently with the wood, or are you gonna beat it down? No, you're gonna come on, right? Call me daddy, bitch.
Say my name. Say my name, you.
Ooh, you got fucking frisky now. You nasty. Ooh, you nasty.
Ooh, daddy.
Oh, God. Well, that's definitely ding fries are done, or close to it. Hey man, nice shaft.
Thanks, I just had it stuffed. That's kind of weird. There we go.
Just a little tappa. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. And
Nope.
that's almost there. That's pretty much. The other side's probably got to go out.
Where's
clippies?
my clips, please?
Clippies? Clippies.
One more.
Go.
Two more.
And it's done. That one's done and gone.
4 and 3 and 2 and 1.
You're very energetic now.
I
This morning,
put food in my tummy.
you and I were both kind of like, "Durr."
Yeah. It's like you wanted us to do what? Yeah,
We have
right.
we have to focus. Like that. And look at. And finito. Finito. Done deal. Yay.
Okay.
And
now,
we're done.
I'd say take pictures of the axles.
Yes.
Show the customers the axles so that
I-
those are done and going in.
I shall. I'll actually shoot video of those when I get over there and unload them.
Okay.
When they're not bright and hot in the sun.
Yeah.
We saw Scotty with the Driveshaft doing the U-joints. And just let you know, we got the bearings handled and pressed on the axles too. Now we're just waiting on Justin with the trans and the third member, and then we can go bloop bloop. Done.